Then since this remote sensing imaging or multispectral imaging have been available to us for quite some time, and scientists have come up with a large number of its related applications. It is quite commonly used for land use and land cover cases. For example, this is a map of Islamabad, Islamabad's different, you can say, land use cases, and we can see that from B, which is last decade, from 2010 to 2020, the built-up area has increased, and whereas the vegetation decreased. So these are some of the use cases that how we can track the land cover or land use cases, and similarly this can be this same application can be applied for disaster risk management or disaster management. Particularly, this multispectral imaging have been very widely used in precision agriculture or smart agriculture systems. It has been extensively used for monitoring the health of the crops, and we will see how it basically affects the, or it detects the health of a particular crop or a vegetation. And similarly, another important use of this is in the high throughput phenotyping, which is you can say that which is very widely used in developing the new crop varieties. Phenotyping is basically to identify the particular characteristic of a plant or a crop. Like you can say that if a scientist thinks that a particular variety would be helpful if it has a certain height, then that height is basically its characteristic or a trait. So that is particularly important to the scientists, and detecting it or knowing it in an efficient or a rapid manner is the goal of automating this phenotyping mechanism. So let's see that how this multispectral imaging, why this multispectral imaging is particularly sensitive to the vegetation. So this is an illustration where it has been shown that for a healthy leaf or a healthy vegetation area, the reflectance from the blue, green, and red bands is significantly less, as much as less than 10%. Among it, green is a bit more. That's why we see the plants as green. Otherwise,